I am seeing that you have a lot of banter between you two. 10 of Cups just come out there. I feel like the energy between you both is, it's just amazing, right? It's magnetic. You have lots of fun. You laugh together. Like when it's good, it's good. It's bloody good. But look, as I was shuffling there with just the confirmation again, this person is definitely wanting marriage, union, family with you. This person is wanting to put everything behind them. They want to start a new chapter. They don't want to move forward with the energy of what they've done. And so to move past that, maybe guidance counseling, maybe spiritual counseling is needed from. I do feel here, looking at the bottom of the deck, that actually there is someone around them who is very, very toxic on their energy. It doesn't feel necessarily like a third party. It feels more like friends, family, like their community, people around them. I feel like they're very gossipy. This is the kind of energy, you know, when you see like a group of men gossiping and you're like, let's fucking get over it. That's that energy. That's how that feels in that with them. So I feel like something could have happened there. There's some history there. You know this will resonate with you if this reason is for you. But they're watching you. They're watching your stories. They're watching what you're up to. They're watching you from afar. So like I said, you probably haven't got this person on social media at the moment, or you know, any of, well, everyone's on social media, aren't they? But look, and they're just wanting to be with you with the Two of Cups. They are wanting to rekindle what you had, because you're the divine feminine. You're the goddess. To them, you are beautiful, sensual. You are everything that they could desire. And with the Wheel of the Year there, this is again saying about this new cycle beginning, this new chapter. That's what they want with you. But there has to be, and with that there will be joy and happiness, but there has to be them coming forward. And even though they are going to come in and apologize, they have to really, I think, take accountability for what they've done. Page of Wands. So there is growth and there is change. I'm seeing a lot of growth and change here. And I feel it's important to know as well that people can mess up. A leopard can change their spot, but it's if they want to. Anybody in this world is capable of change. From good to bad, from bad to good. Anybody. But it's if the person wants to change, then they can. It's when you try and make someone change, that's just not going to happen. But I feel like this person really does. The Devil card reversed, you're saying they don't want it anymore. That came out reversed. They don't want that toxic behavior anymore. They don't want to feel like that anymore. It doesn't make them feel good. I don't feel like this person's a narcissist or they're intentionally trying to do bad things. Right, splitting it at the Emperor and at the Ace of Swords. Remember, we just pulled the Empress, so you are divine counterparts, you are soulmates, and you will be together. I believe this union will end in marriage. I really do. See how the thread is holding you together? So there's telepathic communication between you two. And you're probably thinking a lot about each other, especially here with this Ace of Swords. So this is breakthroughs, new beginnings, clarity, new communication. Expect them to reach out to you. Okay, expect them to reach out to you with an apology and with clarity about the situation that has recently been going on.